Are you just re-shooting it in there? You do not have that much apple juice.
Yeah. Actually,
This is mine and Carter's breakfast. Well, this is our 11 o'clock breakfast. Carter had 6. I have 3. Well, he already ate one because he's freaking fat. And we both got apple juice.
Actually, I got milk. Can I drink all?
No one wants your smart mouth.
Need my donut and shake.
Wait, can we just sit that there? I'm gonna put this in apple juice. Ew. Just try. Come here. Your lips.
Instead of hosting Mythos like breakfast time with us, how about just us getting drunk?
No, breakfast time was gone wrong.
Okay. I kind of tried to make my lips like that. I didn't want it to be that.
Dude, that was perfect. Okay, sorry guys. See, look where it is. I put it perfect. Sorry guys, time to get serious. Alright, all the crumbs on the table. I mean on the floor. Come get serious. I still got 2 more.
Yeah.
I got that messy for 1 donut. And
You know what? I don't care. Just sweep it on the floor.
Hey, yeah.
Wait, I might need this napkin later.
Okay.
And now for a banana. Yee-hee.
No, Carter. Look at that tiny one.
What? This is small. I want more milk, but I'm too lazy to get it.
Also, if you guys saw our update, sorry about not doing too many Call of Duty videos because my iPod, I couldn't record too much. And then also, I was tired because I stayed up the last couple of nights. I think it's impossible to eat these without getting anything anywhere.
Yeah.
I think you should do this.
Yeah. No, this reminds me of when I was in pre-K. This is what I had this is what I had every morning for breakfast.
And you're not fat.
Yeah. I'm not a fat person.
You really had this for breakfast?
A lot whenever I was in pre-K.
Of course, when you're the little growing one. Let's give him the donuts.
I am for my birthday.
That's probably why you're so pale. Racist joke. Also, guys, tell us what you think about Carter's mom's. I think that's
my mom's cookie. Yeah, doesn't it just look like chunky poop? Doesn't
Carter.
it?
No, you can see the peanuts. Well,
yeah.
Someone had a peanut. Oh, someone had a payday and then I pooped. Okay. This has been weird.
Yeah.
Bye.